So YouTube, we back with another video, and we back with another part. It is currently I think 8 something, and right now we trying to get the bike to stay on and to run smooth. So we switching this carburetor out to a better carburetor until I want the 28-inch. So YouTube, we back, and basically we just got the throttle installed in a new one. Now all I gotta do is take the gas line and install that right there, and now let's go. Alright YouTube, so basically if you couldn't understand what I was saying in the last clip, basically we put the new carburetor on there. We washed her up today. We got the rider when we first got her.